Take one.
I'm Mitchie. And don't you just hate it when, line please! Got it. Alright, let's see what page this is on. Oh! Don't you just hate it when a guy comes up to you and says, how about lunch on Thursday? And you're just like, alright, I know what to do.
Take two.
Teeth check!
We're rolling.
Sorry. Johnny! Where's my director? I can't do this! Johnny!
Say your line one more time.
I can't! You're so cute. These are complications this commercial could not form. Stupid people. I'm Karlina and I love bananas.
In other words, our new product, Sticky, will be available in stores during the fall of 2013.